Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Studio 4D. Let's come and share this video because it's amazing. Today I bought a lot of kits from iNGCO. Get ready because it's a lot. I want to make an unboxing with you right now. Get ready, bro. Don't forget to like and share because this is amazing. Okay, as you can see, bro, I'm ready for the unboxing. Wow, look at this controller first. This is my new controller. Look at the design, how it look like. Wow, it look amazing. Okay, iNGCO. Yesterday I made videos to show you unboxing of some kits. Today I have some new kits. Look at that. I have amazing kits today. A lot of kits. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Damn. It's a lot. Look at that. Damn. What is this? This is super glue. Super glue. Can you see this? Super glue is very amazing. This is something very useful. Look at this side. I think that is not bad. Yes. Super glue. 12 pieces. Can you see this? Wow. Can you see it? Look at all of this. Okay. From iNGCO. This is cool. I bought this because it will be useful and it's too much. The price is also excellent. Good. This was the first piece. So let's go for the next. Okay. Let's open the sachet. Damn, what I have here. I have something else. Okay. From iNGCO again. This is just crazy. I have this. It looks strong. As you can see, is what safety goggles. Can you see this? Safety goggles. Wow. On the turn. Look at that. Damn. This is amazing. Maybe I will make an unboxing of this. I don't know if it's possible to cut this right now, but wow, as you can see by yourself, this is how it looks like. It's not heavy. I have also something else. Let's remove the sachet. Oh, another one. As you can see, it's the same product, but this is transparent and it's amazing. Can you see this? From the same mark. Wow, look at that. Two amazing products from the same mark. What do you think? iNGCO is here on next Studio 4D YouTube channel. But it's not all. There are another one. How about 3 of them? Can you see this? This is another one. Is it possible to remove it? Easy? I don't think. Oh yeah, it's possible. Okay. We will see one of them. Woo! Damn! Wow! Damn. Wow! Look at that, my friend. Look at that, my friend. Damn. This is an expected decision. This is. How about all of it? Damn. iNGCO. Welcome. Can you see this? Can you see this, bro? All of this. This is to protect your eyes against too much problems. I will try this. I will try all of this after. Okay. It's not all, as you can see. There's something else in this sachet. But what? Let. Ooh. Look at that. Damn. Damn. Oh. What is this? I feel that this is just crazy. This is something to protect your hand from problems. As you can see, English. This is latex gloves. Latex gloves. Can you see this? Oh, it's not bad. It's not bad. What is this size? Okay, XL. I think that is a good size for my hand. Yes, is a good size. I think so. I think I will tell you by myself after. Let us something else again. Let's see something. And boom. Oh, look at that. Look at that. This is a brooch. Look at that. So, what is this? You can see paint brush. I bought this because I want to clean material, just clean inside something. Can you see this? Wow, amazing packaging, amazing packaging. Wow, this is just strong. It's strong. It's very, very strong. Can you imagine? Your name is here, everything is here. Wow, and it's just amazing. Just amazing. Yes. Wow, this is cool. I never expected this. iNGCO mark everywhere. This is something cool. This is something cool. Yes. Wow, I love the design of this. Honestly, wow, this is very, very cool. Very, very cool. Look at, I can even clean something in the table and it will work perfectly. Wow, this is the limited edition. I love it. This is something I will use every day. The design, everything look amazing here. I love it. Damn. I love all of these products. Damn. Oh, let's go for unboxing of the last product, maybe. Oh, yes, this is the last product. Let's check. Damn. Look at what I have here. Look at what I have here. Can you imagine? Damn. Look at that. Wow. I can see it's the 18mm combination spanner. length 220 millimeter. Okay. Wow, look at the size. Size 18. This is number 18. Maybe it will be useful. This is the key. This is just crazy, my friend. It's just crazy, and I like it. As you can see, it's your chrome vanadium. Chrome vanadium. Can you see this? I'm ready to test it. This is just like something to break those people. I want to break head of someone. If you're looking for trouble today, you will see me in your devil, baby. Wow, this is amazing. Definitely amazing. I love it. I love this. I want just use this to do some work. Maybe it will work. Now let me show to you all of this. All of this. Can you imagine, bro? Can you imagine? I bought everything here. Can you see this? Yeah. Let's put everything on the table. Kid number 1. Last kids. What now? Wow. This is just crazy. And after kid number 2. Kid number 3. Kid number 4. Good. Kid number 5. Nice. Kid. Wow, this is one of my favorite kits between all of this. My favorite tool. Honestly, I love it. The feeling, the design of this, the touching, I love. Definitely, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Can you see this? Wow. In the water. So I bought all of this. All of this. All of them. Can you see this? Now tell me, who is your favorite tool here? Honestly, I love this. Number 1. This number 2. After this number 3 is a lot. After, I love what? I don't know. Maybe I need to test this. Okay. Maybe another favorite tool. I think I will love this. Yes. Maybe I need to test first. So I have 3 of them. And this is crazy. This is cool, my friend. This is cool. I try to clean something. Oh, as you can see, it works. Can you see this? What? Bro, it's not a joke. It works. It works perfectly. Definitely, bro. Clean your house before going looking for a girl, for a wife. No. Clean your wife. Clean your wife before going out. Okay, cool. Okay. Thank you for watching, bro. Don't forget to subscribe and share because this is an amazing video. Amazing video. Thank you for watching. Wow, this is just nice.